everybody, it's Justin Dawson here. On the eve of St. Patrick's Day in Ireland, and the most weirdest feeling of celebrating St. Patrick's Day that I've ever experienced in my lifetime, in my 36 years, because there is no festivities going on in Ireland, and I'm having a beer at home. Not safe, self-isolated. My wife is downstairs, my kids are in bed. But just wanted to bring to your attention all this COVID-19 things that's happening in Ireland and of course around the globe. And with St. Patrick's Day coming up and Christianity and me being a strong Christian, I think it's important to address this. So some of my AV friends have been talking about, we are all professionals, let's give something back. So I want to give something back. And my details is in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If I point in the correct direction, the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And I want to give back. A lot of people have been sending me emails and questions saying, how do I do virtual meetings, for example? Simple to us, but brand new to a lot of people as they try and go virtual in this working from home environment. So I want to give back, and I want to give back some of my time free of charge, because my scouting experience, my Christianity tells me to give back. In return, I'm looking for you to do something of gratitude. If I give you help, maybe you can help others too. And the way I want you guys to help is I have 3 charities that mean a lot to me. Number 1 is Our Lady's Hospice in Housecross, which did tremendous support to my late dad last year. So I want people to donate to that. And I'm going to put the links up afterwards on this Twitter feed. Number 2 is Daffodil Day, which got cancelled in Ireland simply because of COVID-19. And there is a text line number that you can donate, and also a website that you can donate. Number 3, which really shocked me, was Darkness into Light, which is a global theme for suicide awareness, and Darkness into Light is cancelled. And in this time of COVID-19 and the coronavirus, it is so important that mental health is taking an effect on a lot of people, and we have to be aware of suicides. And so I want people to donate to Pieta House here in Ireland. So if I help you in any way, shape or form, get in contact with me with my details, and I want people to show gratitude to any help that I can give by just donating to any of the 3 charities. Or if you want to donate to all 3, even better. Sounds fair? Happy St. Patrick's Day. Justin.